Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use split screen with 3 apps at once on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go and choose the first app. So I'm going to choose the settings, for example. Now I'm going to click on the 3 lines right here, hold the app, and we're going to drag it here. Now we can choose another app. So I'll choose calculator, and to open up the third app, you need to go over here. Now here you have the apps. I'm going to choose Gmail, and we can put it whatever we want. So we can put it right here, for example. Now we got 3 apps, but as you guys can see, let's just try and add another app. As you guys can see, this is what will happen. You cannot add more than 3 apps. Of course, you can add it as a pop-up view, but that's not really good. So here's how you guys can use the split screen with 3 apps at once. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.